So first question of percentage is, what is 25% of 200? What is 25% of 200? Can you solve and give the answer?
Yeah. Is it 50?
Yes, 25% of 200 is 50. Next question. 60 is what percent of 120? 60 is what percent of 120? So 60 is what percent of 120? Yes, 50%. Since 60 is the half of 120, so how we solve? In the solution we say x, let the percent be x, let be x percent. So 60 is x percent of 120. So of means multiply, percent means over 100. So of means multiply. Now we can cancel 1 0. X will be 60 multiplied 10 divided by 12. So it is 600 over 12. So 60 cancel by 12 5 times. So 50. 50%. Correct. Next is, next question is, if 20% of, sorry, if 20% of a number is, if 20% of number is 30, what is the number? If 20% of a number is 30, what is the number? If 20% of a number is 30, what is the number? So in this question, first we say the number be, let the number be x. So let the number be x. And since here is given 20% of number, that means x is 30. This is the main statement that is made. 20% of a number, number is x, so 20% of a number is means equal to, and 30 we write as it is. So this statement gives us the solution how we can solve. Now we can say this is the cross multiply, 100 in denominator, in other side of equal to will go in numerator, and 20 in numerator, in other side of equal to it will go in denominator. So 1 0 1 0 cancel, so it becomes 300 over 2, that means 150. So 150, 20% of 150 is 30. We can check our answer. 20% of 150 is what? So it means 20 over 100, of means multiply 150. So 20 of numerator cancels with denominator 2 zeros. So 15 2 ja 30. So this 30 is given in the problem. It means it is our same as given question. Answer is same as our given question. 75% of which number is 90? %75 of which number is 90? So 75% of, let the number be x, is 90. So 75 over 100 of means multiply is 90. Now cross multiply. So numerator denominator interchange on other side. Now 25 tables cancels here. 175 4 times 3 times 3 cancels 90 30 times 34 ja 120. So you give the answer 120. Your answer.
Oh yeah, 120.
120. So question. Yes. What percent? What percent of 80 is 20? So let x percent of 80 is 20. So it means equal to 80 of x over 100. So transpose multiply other cross multiply. 20 cancels 80 4 times. So 20. So 20 cancel 2000 over 80. 10 cancel.
Oh yeah, it is 25%.
Yes, 25%. 25%. So question 6, 10% of 500. I think your answer is correct.
My sister's gone somewhere.
50 is the correct answer. You did it correct. In 7th question, you can see 150 is dash percent of 300. Suppose there is x percent. So how we solve? 150 is means equal to x percent means over 100, of means multiply 300. So x is, this is 3 times x is 150. So x is 150 over 3, that means 50. So x is 50.
Okay. Is it 211?
No. Now look your question number 8. Increase 200 by 25%. This one is tells us about, it means 200. What is 25% of 200? First we can say, so 25% of 200 is 25 over 100 into 200. It gives us 50. It is 50. So increase means we have to add this 50 in the 200. So final answer is 200 plus 50, 250. This is the 8th one answer, 250. 250 is the 8th one's answer. Okay. So this 9th question is correct. Your a student scored 18 out of 20 marks. So 18 out of 20 marks, and what is percent? So to convert into percent, we multiply it 100. So 18 multiply 20 cancels 100 5 times. So 18 5 is 90%. This one is correct answer. The 10th one is 5% of 1000. That is also correct. So we can say 20 cancel 50 is the correct answer. You have done correct. 10th one. In 11th question, a shirt's cost is rupees 800 during a sale offered at 20% discount. What is the selling price of the shirt? So you can see the cost price CP. So cost price is rupees 800. So this is the price of purchasing. And discount offer, discount means loss of the shopkeeper but profit to the purchaser. So discount is 20%. So we find the discount value. So discount is 20% of, discount is 20% of 800. So it is nothing but it is 160. This is the 160 is the discount. Yes, 160 is the discount. What is the selling price? Selling price is nothing but cost price minus discount. So you have to subtract this 160 from 800. So you will got 800 minus 160, you will got 640 rupees. That is the our selling price. That is the asking in the question. Now in the 12th question you got the correct answer. Boy scored 360 marks out of 600 marks. So out of 600 we write in denominator, 360 we write in numerator. So to got the percentage we multiply 100. So 20 cancel. 360 divided by 6, it gives us 60%. So 60% the boy scored in the marks. In the 13th solution, a number is increased by 20% and becomes 96. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now since this x is increased by 20%, so we write plus sign 20% of x. So add means increase and it becomes 96. So we solve 20%, percent means over 100, off means into, equal to 96. So it gives us 1 over 5. So it becomes x over 5. So x plus x over 5. So it is x over 1, first one, and x over 5. We take LCM 5. So it becomes 5x because we multiply both 5. So 5x plus x equal to 96. So 5x plus 1x, it gives us 6x. So 6x equal to 96 multiply 5. And 6 goes in denominator, it divides 96. 96 divided by 6. So it divides 1 and 6, 16 times. 16 5 is 80. So correct answer is 80. So a number is increased by 20% and it becomes 96. We can check here the answer. Our final answer is 80. So it's 80. When increased by 20% of 80, it becomes 96. So we can check it. So 20% of 80 is 20 over 100 into 80. So 20 cancels, it gives us 16. So 80 plus 16 is 96. 96 is the final answer. That is given in the question. So checking is also correct. So a family spent 30% of their monthly income on rent. And the rent is 7,500. So this 7,500 is nothing but it is the value of 30%. So let the income be x. So income is x. In that case, 30% of x means income is nothing but it is 7,500. So 30%, it means 30 over 100, off means into x is 7,500. So we can cross multiply. So 100 goes in numerator other side by crossing equal to sign, and 30 goes in denominator. So we can cancel now. 30 cancels 3 cancels 750, 250 times 250 into 100, it gives us 25,000. So this is the monthly income, monthly salary of a family. So 30% of the family's income is spent on the rent. So rent is 7,500. So that's why salary is the 25,000. I think this one is correct. And your last question was, in a class of 40 students, 60% are girls. How many are boys? So boys are 40%. So you have to find 40% of 40% of 40 students. So what is the mistake in your answer? Very small mistake is there. So you got 20 cancel, 4 4 just 16. So number of boys is 16, not percent, 16%. So you write the 16%. That's why it is incorrect. Small is incorrect.